everyone. I'm Vicki Murphy. I am an Enterprise Solutions Architect in our Enterprise Strategy and Planning practice here at Valiantus. And today I am going to be talking about our top things to know before implementing Tempo's strategic portfolio management solutions. Starting off with our first tip, a really unique and wonderful aspect of the Tempo platform is the modularity and flexibility of their design. There are a couple of huge benefits we see this bringing our customers whenever they are implementing Tempo solutions. First, the process diversity that is common in enterprises, especially at the team level, can continue to thrive while it is connected to the upper levels of the organization. Additionally, organizations can conduct their implementation incrementally thanks to the modularity of Tempo's solutions, helping them achieve value faster and decrease disruptions to their organization. The most successful implementations really focus on the outcomes for the people using the tools. Empowering collaboration across your organization helps keep everyone focused on the end goal, connecting our organization to work better. A couple examples that we have seen lead to implementation success: identifying strategic portfolio management champions within your functional areas to really act as solution evangelists. Forming local practice groups focused on the process in specific areas, and including those process specialists or even members of those local practice groups in the SPM discovery and configuration stages of your tools. Whenever we're approaching an SPM implementation, it's really common for organizations to want to roll out the implementation very quickly, and we don't blame you. But one of the best things that you can do to help speed up your implementation is identify a dedicated team and ensure that they have time to work on this process. This just helps your organization move through the implementation smoothly and efficiently. To give you an idea of what an SPM implementation really consists of, it's about 500 to 700 combined hours of the core team over a 3 to 6 month period. And this time consists of meeting with stakeholders to understand your current and desired future processes, evaluating your existing tools, implementing your configuration, change management training, and more. Of course, there are some ways that you can speed up your implementation, and that's exactly what we are talking about in this video. The Tempo platform is designed to support diverse organizations who have a variety of processes spread across many functional areas. As you're implementing these tools, it's important to identify opportunities to coordinate your functional areas around delivering value. One of the most common things I say to our customers when we're working with them to implement these solutions is that the data you're looking for really begins at the team level. Tempo's solutions for SPM are really designed to connect your strategy to your execution. But to truly get that roll-up of data to the strategy level, teams need to be operating well within Jira. And what do we mean by operating well in Jira? Really, we're talking about teams representing their work in Jira by creating their work items or issues, applying estimates if it's applicable to your process, and connecting that teamwork up the hierarchy so it is really connected from the execution layer all the way up to the strategy. Another common phrase you may hear us say is that skilled admins are really worth the cost. Whether you hire them as FTEs or work with a partner, or in some cases both, the efficiencies and quality your organization will gain from a skilled admin really make it all worth it. Not only can this help speed up your implementation, but it also ensures that you have someone at your organization who can maintain that implementation well into the future. As we're talking about rolling out an SPM solution to the enterprise, it's important to remember that we're not trying to boil the ocean. We want to establish a clear MVP. This will help us scale later and identify the areas of the organization that we want to focus on today, which ultimately allows us to achieve value faster. Training is an ongoing effort. Training really never ends. Implementing an enterprise-wide tooling requires continuous training for end users. People need initial training. They need ongoing support. They need training around new functionality. And also, if they are transitioning roles, they may need additional training. When working with customers, we really try to emphasize the train the trainer model so that there's someone at your organization that is able to conduct this training going forward. We've also seen office hours be widely valuable, especially in large organizations. This helps your end users get questions or get answers to their questions, and it helps keep your admins from being constantly bombarded with questions in their inbox. This is also where we as partners are often brought in to help support these training efforts. And in addition to the new user training and office hours, we often help our customers through playbooks and video content. Rolling out a tooling solution to support your enterprise's SPM efforts is a marathon, not a sprint. When rolling out the Tempo SPM solution, seeing their expansive collection of tools and imagining rolling them out across all of your teams may seem daunting. This is where that modular design of the Tempo platform can be used to iteratively focus on your organization's priorities, allowing you to start where you are today and build for the future that you want. That wraps up our top tips for implementing the Tempo SPM solution. If you would like these notes, you can scan this QR code or we'll link them for you in the description of this video. Thank you very much.